The Hamara Sankalp Viksit Bharat Yatra, a continuous campaign, was held at Moodymmai Darbar Hall yesterday. The district-level program on Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra saw the active participation of women in health checkups, X-ray examination and registration for mega health insurance schemes. The main objective of this initiative was to make people aware of the various central government schemes, ultimately leading to the development and progress of rural villages. One of the highlights of the events was the cultural dance performances by the villagers, which revolve around the theme of protecting and preserving the environment. Several beneficiaries shared their experiences and highlighted the positive impact of various developmental initiatives such as the PMAY scheme, the MHIS, SHG, PM Kisan and ICDS.
Advertisement kami
Dekat ni pagi muncul kabel kat sana yang te yoi rasuk bulan dan department de or atau yoi yang tis pas ni.
Yo cipun itu toy na church. Yo apa pesan dengan pesan. Yo cek sembe chor. Yo cek di dua chor. De cipun itu penemkan de tunggu ni chor. Yo cái mình tôi đi nông nghiệp và cái sơ cả đi cái cam cái
để gọi lại bốn cái chuyện tôi yo comment yo để dùng sáng mà yo trong tham quan yo được chỉ yo cũng chỉ làm sinh chỉ làm bốn cái chuyện tôi là cái chuyện làm ý.
North Shillong MLA Adelbert Nongrum today took